Money doesn't just talk, it screams. It screams every time your paycheck disappears before the month ends. It whispers when your friends go out and you quietly say, maybe next time. And in 2026, when everything costs more, groceries, gas, rent, it's not just about making money anymore. It's about keeping it. Because here's the cold truth. Most Canadians aren't broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because they don't have a system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build that system. The same one that separates the people who panic at every bill from the ones who sleep peacefully knowing their money works for them. This isn't just budgeting, it's financial self-defense. Why most budgets fail? Let's be honest. The word budget sounds boring. But in reality, it's the most powerful weapon against financial stress. Most people think budgeting means restriction. It doesn't. It means freedom from wondering where your money went. The reason most people fail at budgeting isn't math, it's emotion. Every tap, every swipe, every little "I deserve this" adds up. You're not bad with money. You've just been taught to spend before you think. So before we even touch numbers, we need a mindset reset. Your money isn't about control, it's about direction. Because if you don't tell it where to go, it will always go where it shouldn't. The 70-20-10 rule, the system that never fails. Here's the framework the wealthy quietly use. The 70-20-10 rule. Percent of your income covers your needs and lifestyle. Percent builds your future, savings, investments, debt payoff. This percent fuels your growth, education, skills, or even guilt-free spending. This isn't some TikTok trend. It's the structure that trains your brain to automate discipline. Because once you assign a purpose to every dollar, you remove temptation from the equation. Budgeting isn't about cutting, it's about commanding. The savings trap. Why you're saving? Wrong. Let's talk about savings. Or more accurately, why most people save nothing. They try to save what's left after spending. But the secret is to spend what's left after saving. If you wait until the end of the month to save, there won't be anything left. So automate it. Make your savings disappear before you can touch it. Set up 2 accounts, one for bills, one for goals. When your paycheck hits, transfer a fixed percentage instantly. No emotions, no decisions, no debate. That's how ordinary people become financially untouchable. The inflation wake-up. Why 2026 is a make or break year. In 2026, inflation isn't just a news headline, it's your everyday life. Groceries are up. Housing is ridiculous. Debt is growing faster than wages. But here's the plot twist. In chaos, the prepared get richer. If you can manage your cash flow in high inflation times, you'll thrive when things calm down. Because budgeting in 2026 isn't just about survival. It's about building resilience. While everyone else drowns in debt, you'll be quietly stacking freedom. The emotional shift from anxiety to control. Budgeting is emotional, not numerical. The moment you see your money clearly, where it comes from, where it goes, your anxiety drops. You stop reacting and you start commanding. That's when you realize it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep with intention. You don't have to be rich to have control. You just have to be aware. The future you plan. From short-term panic to long-term peace. Imagine it's 2026. But instead of feeling behind, you're ahead. Your emergency fund is full. You're investing monthly without even noticing. You're not surviving. You're designing your life. That's not fantasy. That's the power of structure. Because when you give every dollar a job, your future self stops worrying about your past mistakes. The reality check. The silent killer of your finances. The biggest threat to your financial health isn't inflation or taxes. It's denial. People avoid looking at their budgets because it's uncomfortable. But discomfort is temporary. Regret is permanent. If you want to win in 2026, stop avoiding the numbers. Face them, fix them, and you'll finally feel free. The Freedom Blueprint. Budgeting isn't punishment. It's a plan for peace. The goal isn't to live cheap. It's to live intentional. Because when you finally master your money, you stop working for it, and it starts working for you. If this opened your eyes, hit like and check out my next video, the 2026 Wealth Map, how to turn your paycheck into passive income. That's where we turn your budget into a weapon for freedom.